Welcome everyone to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a discount in Shopify. If you are a store owner looking to increase sales and attract more customers, first, open Shopify on your web browser. Next, click on Discounts in the left-hand menu. Then, click on Create Discount. You will see several discount options. For this tutorial, select Amount Off Products. Next, enter the discount code that your customers will use at checkout. Then, choose the percentage discount value you want to apply. After that, you can decide whether this discount applies to a specific collection by tapping Browse and selecting the collection you want. Then, set the eligibility for your discount. You can choose all customers, specific customer segments, or specific customers. After that, define the purchase requirements. You can either have no minimum requirements or set a minimum purchase amount and minimum quantity of items. Next, choose the maximum number of times this discount can be used. Then, decide on combinations with other discounts, whether it should combine with product discounts, order discounts, or shipping discounts. Finally, when everything is after this, choose the start and end date for your discount, so it runs exactly when you want it to. Set up correctly, click Save at the top to activate your discount. By following these steps, you can customize discounts to suit your store's needs and encourage more purchases. If you found this video helpful, please like it